What's up, guys? So I wanted to show you guys really quickly. So I traded PRST this morning. As you guys can see, I ended up with 1880. I jumped in at 813, jumped out at 860. Let me just play this video so you guys can kind of see what happened. So basically, this chart right here is not the regular chart that I normally trade. Normally, I'm looking to jump in above go time. That's my go-to strategy. But there wasn't really anything like close to go time. So of course, I'm going to look at the next opportunity. So right there, I was looking at PRST, and I was trying to make sure that it goes above these EMAs because I already saw that it was on a downtrend. Typically, for it to switch around, it needs to go above these EMAs. And once, because these EMAs are normally like resistance. So once it goes above the resistance, then resistance becomes support, and I could see clearly right there is the next area that it would come into an issue, like right around that 950 area. So what I decided to do is wait for me to jump in so I can take that move up, and all I need is 35.45 cents, and I'm done for the day. So I'm pretty confident that it could do that because I can see there's some good support around this area, and if it goes below this area, of course I'm going to just jump out and call it a day. So let's play this video so you guys can kind of see what happened. So I'm waiting for it to go above these EMAs right there, because these are basically support. I mean, these are resistance. So I want to make sure it gets above this resistance area. Boom, it's above that resistance area. Boom, I jump in. It took a little while for me to get filled, but I got filled, and now I'm waiting for that pop. So now I see it going up. I'm in a good position, and then I also see that it's about to get halted. So as you can see on level 2 that it's going to get halted. Typically the first halt, it gives you a nice pop, which, I'm always okay with holding through the first halt. But if I already hit my goal, typically I get out quick. So I wasn't quite above my goal yet. Let's pause it here. So as you guys can see, I just drew my line, which is where the next um, resistance is going to be. So I'm banking that it should go up to this level, but I'm not going to wait for it to go up to that level. I'm just going to take my goal. Once I hit my goal, I'm out. You know what I mean? So I'm not hungry. I'm not greedy. So I try to, as soon as I get my goal, I'm out and I'm done. So this thing halted for about 5 minutes. As you can see, at 9:30:59, it halted. So I paused the video because I didn't want to just record dead time for 5 minutes. So at 9:35:57, I basically resumed back to my recording, and watch what happened here. Okay, bam, it just opened back up. As you can see, it opened a little bit below where I entered. So now I have two options. I have the option of selling and taking that loss, or I'm going to, you know, go with my experience, knowing that resistance normally becomes support. Typically, if it blasts through resistance normally becomes support. Now, if it goes below this support, then I would want to get out. But at this moment in time, I'm just trying to gauge to see if it's going to go below or above. If it goes below, I'm going to sell. If it goes above, I'm just going to take my win. So now let's see what happens. Boom, obviously I was right. Resistance always becomes support majority of the time, and I sold quickly and in and out. I'm done. As you guys can see, I jumped in again at 813, jumped out at 860. So I ended up with 1880 under 10 minutes. So that's typically how my day goes. Also, once I'm done trading after my 10-15 minutes of trading, I'm normally responding to people who are sending me real estate deals. So now I'm waiting for, typically I have like three or four. I have a few guys who's always sending me deals. So I'm always taking a look at those deals, and I'm making offers on deals on real estate side. So if you guys know anyone who's interested in selling some properties, I am always interested in making an offer. So whatever you guys got, it doesn't matter what state it is, it doesn't matter what It doesn't matter where it is. I want to take a look at this deal, and I want to make an offer on it. So if you guys have anything for sale, if you inherited a property you don't want, maybe you're having some hardships, maybe someone lost their jobs, maybe anyone. It doesn't matter if it's you or your uncle, your aunt. If you guys have a property that you guys may be interested in selling, let me make an offer. Let me take a look at it, and I'll make an offer on it, and maybe we can do some business together. I do pay referral fees too for anyone who sends me a good lead. All right, so I'm going to keep this one short. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and hit my email. If you guys have properties you want me to look at, hit my email. It's right down below. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.